Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mayfield Primary from St. Elizabeth up against Little London Primary from Westmoreland. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Now, earlier we had the toss and Mayfield Primary won and decided to send Little London Primary first. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer. And with this section lasting for 4 minutes, let's have that time on the clock. We begin with Little London. Bible knowledge. Which disciple did Jesus instruct to walk on water to come to him?
Peter.
That's correct. Mayfield, Bible knowledge. Which disciple of Jesus was a tax collector?
Matthew.
That's right. Science, Little London. What gives plants their green color and helps in the process of photosynthesis?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll is correct. Mayfield, science. What gas is needed along with water, sunlight, and chlorophyll for plants to make their own food?
Carbon dioxide.
That's right. Jamaican affairs, Little London. Who is Jamaica's Attorney General? Time has passed. Would you like to try, Mayfield?
No, thank you.
Dr. Derek McCoy, Mayfield, Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining? Your time has passed. Would you like to try, Little London?
Yes, thank you. Floyd Green.
Incorrect. The Honorable Franklin Witter. English language, Little London. Spell the word compliment as used in this sentence. The student liked the teacher's compliment about her good grades.
Compliment.
That's right. Mayfield, English language. Spell the word dessert or desert as used in this sentence. The sweet potato pudding for dessert was delicious.
Dessert.
That is correct. Little London television. What is the name of Pooh's tiger friend in Winnie the Pooh?
Teddy.
Incorrect. Tigger. Mayfield television. What is the name of Pooh's donkey friend in Winnie the Pooh?
Eeyore.
That's right. General knowledge, Little London. What is the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
That's correct. Mayfield, general knowledge. What is the capital of Australia?
Sydney.
Incorrect. Canberra. Little London, social studies. Name one of the continents which is completely located in the southern hemisphere.
South America.
Incorrect. Could have been Antarctica or Australia. Mayfield, social studies. Name one of the continents which is completely located in the western hemisphere.
Africa.
Incorrect. North or South America would have been accepted. Little London music. What is the name of a musical piece performed by two persons?
Duo.
Incorrect. Duet. Mayfield. What lowers a musical note by one semitone? Your time has passed. Would you like to try, Little London?
No, thank you.
A flat. Mathematics, Little London. What is the sum of 679 and 98?
797.
Incorrect. 777. Mayfield, mathematics, what is the sum of 865 and 79?
944.
That's right. And we don't have time for any more questions in this section. The scores are Mayfield Primary on 4 and Little London Primary on 5. So the scores are close. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns right after these messages.